Hello and welcome to the Live Forecast video tutorial series. It's a compilation of tutorials covering everything from navigation to breakfast forecasting. In this video, we will be focusing on navigation in the Live Forecast module. Forecasting for all departments at a property is done in the Live Forecast module, and here you choose the specific department you want to work in. So let's take a look at the menu, tools and view options. Same rule applies here that underlines all modules in PMI. All text with blue font has a drop-down menu. The same for year and month. Pickup statistics can be viewed as either a table or a diagram. Here you can view and analyze the booking pattern for the various segments you have at the property and the average room rate. This can be used, for example, by revenue managers, the booking team, your sales team, a hotel manager, the general manager, and so on. Pickup statistics is available for all departments using On the Book. In the tools, there are several functionalities. Let's take a minute to go through the most used by our clients. Pickup statistics gives you the option of opening the module in Tools. Reset Pickup. This will reset the figures currently in the pickup column to 0. And that basically means that the live forecast is now the same as On the Book or Revenue Driver. Calculate Live Forecast. This basically means that an On the Book based forecast has a pickup statistic where you can see booking patterns and compare your On the Books this year to On the Books same date or weekday from last year. So when PMI has at least 1 year pickup history, you are able to see and use PMI forecast to help you and update your live forecast. Copy to live forecast. This will copy last year budget, target or forecast to live forecast. Seasons. This is where you choose and edit which seasons to use at the property. PMI Live Forecast, a tool that shows a snapshot of PMI's algorithms with actuals for comparison and accuracy checking. Available rooms. This is where you enter all available rooms at the property. Extract data. Export from your forecast to an Excel. You can print the division or department. Print to file. This exports a report into Excel or PDF. Useful if you need a copy when in discussion with the financial controller or analyzing the data. Copy Submit from Live Forecast. This is where you submit your live forecast for a specific department. Submit several from Live Forecast. This is where you submit several department forecasts at the same time. Edit Guest Nights Factor enables you to change number of guests per room. Revise Budget, Target or Forecast. This enables you to edit the budget, target or forecast instead of going to the module. And then view options. The view choices can vary depending on which forecast you are focusing on, as well as user rights, which is decided by the different hotel groups or corporations. The most interesting view choice here is last year by date or by weekday. If you choose by weekday, you will compare an apple for an apple. That is to say, a Monday for a Monday and not by a date. And now let's just take a minute or so to go through a few icons that you will find in the live forecast. This icon here indicates that the forecast is imported from an external source. This icon indicates that PMI uses the revenue driver and updates the live forecast when the driver is updated. If there is a calculator icon, you can click on it and a hand icon is visible. Now you are able to make manual changes in the pickup column. And don't forget to save. And this icon here indicates that PMI could not get enough data points to establish the revenue driver ratio from seasonality. The values have been approximated by statistics from the last 5 weeks. When a figure is in blue font in the PMI prediction column, it indicates that the algorithm predicts you will sell more rooms than inventory on that day. More information on the Live Forecast module can be found in our knowledge base article and video tutorial series. Thank you and take care.